Got Mr. A going. We're bonding today, guys. Bonding day for me and Mr. A. Spider-Man.
Were you going in here?
Say hello.
Hello. How are you?
We have Spider-Man in the house today. Let's go, Spider. Blessings and blessings to all my people out there as we do this walk today. Thank you for coming in. Sunday morning walk with me and Spider-Man back there.
That's how you get in.
Mr. A. Put your hoodie back on, let's go.
That's Mr. That's my step.
Okay.
That's my step.
Yeah, that's where we go in there. Yeah, that's the baseball field, right?
No, it's softball.
Softball. Yeah, that's right, the softball field.
That's the step that goes here.
Oh, okay. You step that goes there. That's cool. Nice.
No.
All right, put your hoodie on. It's cold out here. It's 39 degrees. And me and Mr. A's out here. We out here doing our thing. We're doing our hour walk for today, Sunday morning. Let's go.
Where is
She's not out today. I don't see her.
What car does she have? Huh? Is that her?
No.
Oh,
Let's go, my
I'm gonna
people.
jump over this.
He's being mean face.
Ronaldo!
He said he's Ronaldo. Spider-Man.
The park.
Yeah.
I already knew that though.
All right, they have a softball game going on today. Or a soccer game. I think they have a soccer game going on today. No, they have a soccer game, not a soccer game today. They're on the soccer field over there. You see them over there?
Softball games are going today? Huh? Softball games going?
Yeah, they probably have it later, but right now it's a soccer game they have going on. See the game over there? They have a game over there. See, the kids are playing soccer over there. So it's 39 degrees on a Sunday morning. The time right now is what? What time it is? 8 o'clock? And they're out there doing their soccer game. Got some water going on here.
Yeah.
Mr. A having some crackers. On the way. We'll be having some little snack here from Mr. A. All right, lovely people. We're doing our trailing today, our nature movements this morning. So enjoy nature, of course. Guess where we are? Our regular park. Well, that's a different area of the park, Algonquin Park. It's a very big park, so it's always a different area. Use your hand before it all fall down. Take it out from there before it fall. All right. It's wet. See? It's wet and muddy, but we out here. We're showing up. We're putting in that walk. We're doing that bonding with nature. Yes, we are. So come along and enjoy the video. Like it up, comment if you like the videos. Leave a sweet positive one. A motivation video comment here. Say like. All right. To keep the motivation going. But through it all, I'm going to continue bringing it on. I'm going to continue bringing in the videos. We have the golf court area over here. But there's no golfers on the field this morning. You would think Sunday morning. Where are the golfers? All right, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. I hope you guys are coming out enjoying some of nature. I know the weather over this side, America's side, is cold weather. But if you're around areas we could enjoy nature, come out early in the morning and get some of nature's sun, the natural vitamin D. Yeah, good for the mind, good for the body. So it says, you see, you can't go over this side because they have this right here. Golfers only over on this side. You got big chunks of trees.
Look at this big stone.
Oh yeah. So let's go. Let's walk with us, me and Mr. A today, you guys. As we bring you nature, enjoy the video. The ones who are watching the channel and cannot go out to nature, we're here for you. As long as the weather is okay for us to come out, we'll come out once or twice a week on weekends. And I try to put a video with my walking sometimes during the week. So, oh, there you go. Nature's sun right here. Thank you, Nature's sun. Thank you for showing up. You've been away for 2 days. I haven't seen you for 2 days. Thank you. Mr. A back there. Let's go, Mr. A. Mr. A is not in it today. He wanted to go to the playground. The new playground that they opened. He can't wait to go in there. So he don't want to do the trail today. That's okay. It's children. You know how it is. And there he go. He got some energy, so he's moving now. Let's go, Mr. A. Let's go. Spider-Man.
You know that? You know that?
Yeah, that's the bird. Ooh, look at all that section of the green. See, this section right there is all greenish, and the ones around it, it's all brown.
It's so cool.
I wonder why that spot is just green.
Uma,
Yes, sir.
whenever you see water that's red, it looks like blood, run away.
Of course, something is going on.
No, cause people throw their trash.
Yeah, water going on. Water is going on over here. Okay.
Uma, you want any?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
You
Yeah, sure.
want? Oh, you can have some.
No, I don't want any. Thank you. Oh, got a breeze up here. We got water going on. Yeah. Yeah, it's a big park. Very huge. Yeah? That's from the frothy. See the frothy area right there? I don't know why it's frothy like that. It's like froth. It's like somebody put soap in the water. That's what it looked like. Mm-hmm. All right, let's go, buddy. Let's.
But this is a big park.
Yeah, it is a big park. Watch your step. You don't want to. It's not slippery, but it's wet. All right.
Now can we go back?
They say there's something bird areas over here. Let's see. So, oh yeah, I see a lot of little birds flying around. Let's see if we see some unique bird today. Oh yeah, look, birds. Okay. See all the birds flying around? Look, look. Look at all the birds. Carter, what's this wet area over here? Go around. See the birds.
Nice too.
Uh-huh. The birdies flying around.
I'm seeing that one.
Hmm?
I'm seeing it.
They don't want cracker now. Yeah, yes. They don't want you to feed them. It says Sugar Land Run Trail. Mr. A trying to share his crackers with the bird. You can drop it there, maybe they'll pick it up later. Let it stay there, they'll come for it. Oh, the birds all around this area. Oh, that was nice. You share with the ants and the birdies.
Yeah. The park.
Oh, they got a little park over here. Oh, they got homes across over there. Look at that, houses over there.
Oh my God.
Let's see what's right over there, and then we go back around.
You want me up?
Put your hands in your pocket. I know it's here, use this glove. You want to put your hands inside here? It's warm.
That's warmer than my gloves.
Mm-hmm.
You can keep my blue ones.
Wow, we're gonna have to do another trail because you could go further in. See the birds? It's like a bird sanctuary over here. They're all over flying. Yeah, that is cool. They have a little playground over there.
Let's go see over here. Oh, let's go see what's over here.
Wow, and if you go further down, the trail continues. So they have a little playground over here and some seats if you're tired and you're walking by. So it's real cool. And then you got homes right over here. See that?
Oh, let's go.
That is so cool. All right, I'll pick you up on the way back. And they got some grills over there. You could come out and do a little barbecue while your kids have some fun on the slide. So if you go this way, or you could go across over this way, and the trail continues. Wow. It's a real huge park. Go, Mr. A. Yeah, it's cold for Mr. A today. So hands in pocket, he's doing. He got the hood over his head. And he's doing. Okay, guys, so we bring you out this nature today on a Sunday morning out here from Northern Virginia, Loudoun County, with me and Mr. A, our day to bond in nature. So enjoy the video as I close it out. Mr. A, you have anything to say?
Bye, guys.
What do you say?
Bye.
All right, see you on the next
Video.
All right, so there we go on the next video, right out here, Loudoun County, as we do the trail out here at Algonquin Park. It's a beautiful park to visit whenever you're around this area, close to Maryland, close to Washington. We're right out here. Visit the park. It's a nice park to venture. Very nice park to venture. You cannot do it in one day. And if you do it in one day, it's going to take you some hours. So, whenever you're around out here in Northern Virginia, Arlington, Great Falls, it's right next door. Harrington, Raston area, it's right next door. So if you're looking for a good park, check it out. Okay, so we're gonna lock the video saying, see you, bless up, love, love, stay blessed, and in all things give thanks and keep the prayer going, not just for yourself, but for the world and everyone that's around you. All right, this is Lady.J3962. See you on the next video. All right. You hear the song of the birds? Wow, that's pretty.
What?
The birds.
The birds. What's this sound like?
The birds going. Other sound of the bird car.
Sylvia like it.
The song of the birds. Early on a Sunday morning.
It's all.